We'll guide you through how to import image to table in Notion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to your desktop and make sure you can clearly see the icons available on your screen. Find the Google Chrome shortcut icon and position your cursor over it. Double-click the Google Chrome shortcut to open the browser and allow the application to start. Wait for Google Chrome to finish loading completely before continuing. If multiple profiles are available, click your Chrome profile once to select it and open your browsing session. Next, look at the search bar located at the top of the browser window. Type notion.com into the search bar and press Enter on your keyboard to visit the website. Wait for the Notion website to load fully before interacting with any options on the page. Once the home page appears, look at the top right corner of the page where the available account options are displayed. Click the Open Notion button to proceed. After a moment, your Notion workspace will open and become visible on your screen. Look at the left side of the screen where your pages and navigation menu are listed. Click your table page, such as monthly expenses, to open the database you want to edit. When the table is displayed, click the plus icon to add a new property to the database. A list of property options will appear for you to choose from. Select the Files and Media option from the list. A new column will appear in the table. Click an empty cell under the newly created column. A small menu with file and image upload options will appear on the screen. Click the Choose a File button to begin selecting an image. A File Explorer window will open, allowing you to browse files stored on your computer. Select the image you want to upload by clicking it once. After selecting the image, click Open in the bottom right corner of the File Explorer window. Wait for the image to finish uploading to the database. Once the upload process is complete, you should now see the uploaded image displayed inside the selected table cell.